Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to tell if someone is on Facebook dating. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Facebook dating, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, determining if someone is on Facebook dating requires a few steps, as the dating service is integrated within the Facebook platform. But of course, it maintains some privacy features. And of course, we're going to give you some tips and guides on how you can tell if someone is using Facebook dating. Now, on the web version, now here, once you are on the facebook.com, if you're using the website, you simply just hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on dating. But of course, Facebook dating is only available on the app. So we are going to switch on the Facebook dating app on our mobile device. Now, once you are inside the Facebook profile like the Facebook dating, I need you to switch on the section where you can see the Facebook dating welcome page. All right, just click on get started. Now, once you are here, all you're gonna do is you have the sections that says like to, friendship, matches, and at the bottom, you have more ways to explore. You can make new friends, browse, and match with people as friends. We also have the second look, see suggested matches that you have passed on previously, and the secret crush. Add someone you're interested in as a secret crush. All right. Now, I'm switching on the section that says have a crush on someone. You can choose any of your Facebook friends and their friends to send a crush and let them know you'd like to connect and dating. And of course, you can explore in Friends Network. Or now this section is on the matches. And if someone matches your profile, you would be able to see that option. All right. Now, the next is you also have an option to get on the second look wherein you've seen all the people you passed on and come back later, or on the secret crush. You can choose crushes from your Facebook friends or Instagram followers. And that's one of the plenty ways to tell if someone is on Facebook dating, especially if you are connected here on the Facebook network. Remember that Facebook dating is part of the Facebook platform ecosystem. But of course, again, it maintains privacy features and that it also suggests matches based on the events you have attended or groups you are part of. If someone is actively using the dating feature, they might appear as a suggested match in these contexts. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.